Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I don't know if you can notice or not, but I am in the Camaro. And I know this is the wife's car. But I decided to do something nice for the wife. And this is not a complete surprise to her, but I decided to do something nice for our anniversary. And she's been wanting to do this for a while. We've had this for a while. But with all the problems with this car, this and that, everything was always going on. It kept getting put off. So I finally was able to get this car wrapped for her. And she's been waiting a long time for this. We've had this roll in the garage and in bedrooms and probably, I don't know, a year and a half, almost 2 years maybe, we've had this roll of vinyl. And she is super excited to see her car. And I hope she likes it. This is the color she picked, so I hope she likes it. And, you know, we left it off at my boy Tim at Parker Wraps. He hooked it up like always. Did it in like 3 or 4 days. And really happy with the way it turned out. The color is really nice. I like it. I don't know if it's for me, because, you know, I'm a dude. But the color looks good. I think it looks good. And it might be a little bit of a throwback. I don't know. If you guys have been around for long enough, it might be. But she's on her way here now from work. I told her to meet me not too far away from my work, because I was able to go pick up the car for her this afternoon. She don't get off work till later. So it looks good, guys. Still, I'm excited for her to see it. She is super. She kept asking me about it today, and so I haven't even sent her a picture of the car or anything. She's seen some previews here and there, but she hasn't really seen the car done. So she's super excited, and I'm excited too. I'm excited I was able to do this for her. So hope she gets here soon. There she is. Oh, I'm sure she's excited. Sure, she's excited. We're not wrapping that thing. That thing's huge. Yeah?
Oh my god. She looks so much better than I even thought. Holy crap. Hi, baby. I guess 2 years wait's long enough on this wrap, right?
Yep.
Oh my god. She looked good. She looked good when she was plasticated, but Jesus.
Yeah?
So good.
She's back to purple.
I know.
You love you some purple. No, I asked him to do it, but he said he tried to, but he says the paint. No, he tried. He said the paint chip on the little flow tie thing just will screw up the wrap.
Yeah, I figured. That's what I said. If you had time, that's not a big deal. Oh, baby, I like it. So glad we did it. It looks good with the carbon stuff too.
Yeah, no, it looks really good. It turned out really good. Yeah, you happy? Yeah.
Looks good. It's real good.
Yeah.
Yep.
Happy anniversary, I guess, even though it's like a few weeks late.
That's all right.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I haven't gotten my gift, so it's okay.
Yeah, you did.
No.
Yeah, you did. We're going to talk about that on camera. Thank you.
Yeah, it's got the fingerprints from me and Danny putting it in the wing, but we gotta clean it up. But
oh, it got me. It tagged me.
Yeah, he asked me. I said, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, yeah, you just gotta clean it up a little bit. We put finger. I can tell this car's gonna have fingerprints easily on it.
Well, it's so glossy too.
Yeah.
That's all right. I like it. That's a little part you're talking about. Yeah, I think that's
Yeah, that was a
That's fine.
Because we actually, this actually is a Z01 wing. She found the trunk.
Z01 trunk.
Yeah, yeah, the Z01 trunk. She found the trunk a while back. We've had it in our storage shed for a while, and we were waiting to do this for it. So so we finally did, because the factory 1LE wing has a bunch of holes right along here. And
9 holes.
Yeah, she had covered it up with some vinyl, but and then it doesn't look as clean as that. So we were able to finally install that wing, that trunk.
1LE trunk lid Actually,
Yeah.
we just didn't. Somebody had sold the $4,000 ring.
Yeah.
It's good because I ain't paying $4,000 for a ring.
What?
No. Look, honey, it looks even. It even looks. Oh, I forgot with debadged.
Yeah, you're debadged right now. He all the
something looked blank.
all the badges are there.
Camaro.
All the badges are there, and your factory, your other trunk is in my car and the GTI. But I need to.
Those are easy.
Those you either might have to reorder that one because that one to get it lined up perfectly might be.
That's fine.
I like the Camaro one though.
I did that one myself, so that one's easy. I can do it.
All the rest of your badges are in there. He said you could put them on however you like.
Yeah, that's fine. I actually thought about changing the side markers, the side badges anyway to one of the badges.
I like the front. People complain about the 19 look, but I think the 19 looks. To me, it looks better with the black. It breaks it up.
Yeah.
So I'm digging it.
Yeah, I like it. As long
Need to clean it up. Need to wash it a little bit. He was gonna clean it up for me. He just didn't have time. So he was already working on another car. But he wiped it down. He just didn't wash it.
Yeah, that's fine.
But
That's fine. I know how to wash a car.
yep. Really, that's kind of a lie, but okay.
I said I know how. I didn't say I do it all the time.
Yeah, that's true. But so there it is. You like it? You happy with it?
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
she's bath.
Yeah, needs to be cleaned up. But
Now she's acting right. She gets to
yeah, see,
getting pampered
about
a little bit.
about
She
damn
acts
time.
like she gets
See,
pampered.
yeah, about damn time. Took a long ass
Starts
time.
acting stupid. She gets parked or sold.
Yeah. All right, guys. So there it is. She's happy with her car again. That's how I like it. Happy wife, happy life, guys. Remember that. Remember that. So she's excited. She finally got the color on the car that she wanted. She's been wanting this for a long time, so I'm excited for her.
2 years.
So yeah, 2 years. She has been waiting a long time. Yeah, we've moved this around to I think one. No, two houses.
No, I ordered it at the big house.
Oh, well, yeah, we've had it around for a while. So that's where we're at. So let me know what you guys think on the new color. You know, technically it's not a new color. This car has been purple before, but now it's actually a nice wrap. Now I plastered it, so let me know what y'all think. And we'll see y'all later. Oh, wait, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what y'all think, that kind of stuff. We'll see y'all later. Bye.